Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you speedometer of the Nissan Serena C26 imported from Japan to New Zealand before and after we converted it from Japanese to English. All menus and warning messages in its instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. Maintenance reminders about oil change, for example, is something you'd better have in English. After conversion, instrument cluster displays notifications, statistics, and offers selection of various settings in English. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.